Here's a little trick that I've learned when you're making candles. Some of these, if you're pouring wax in a jar and you put your wick in, I've got pretty big hands, and some of these jars I can get into, but as the jars get deeper, you're trying to get this wick centered, and you're going to put a drop of hot glue or a sticky dot on this and try to press it down in. It doesn't really work that well. So what I've found is if you put your wick in a straw and then just pinch the straw, you can slide your wick and the sticky dot all the way down. Use the straw to press it in place and then pull the straw out. I can put my clip on this to hold it in place, so when I'm pouring my wax in there, and that works well. Even when you're maybe doing larger jars, not when you're using molds, but you can reach way down in and place your wick exactly in the center. Again, you can either use a glue gun or I've got these sticky dot things that go on there as well. But yeah, just slide your wick in a straw. When you've got it pushed down in place, pull your straw up and you're all done.